Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I get my messy lived-in curls in less than 5 minutes. First step, I like to use a thermal heat protectant. I'm using my favorite plant-based one because it doesn't build up on the hair and it protects up to 450 degrees of heat. Using a protectant is super important, especially when you're using a hot tool regularly. So I've sectioned my hair in half horizontally, and now I'm going in with my 1-inch curling iron, and I'm just taking vertical sections around my head and twisting about 1.5 to 2 turns, leaving the ends out. Leaving your ends out is what's going to give it a little bit more of that messier look versus that perfected curl. After I've completed the first half, I section my hair in half on the heavier side of my part just to make sure that my sections are a little bit more even, and I continue that curl pattern around my head. As you can see, I'm keeping my curling iron vertical for most of the time, but around my face and on the top of my head, I am getting that curling iron closer to my root, so it is a little bit more horizontal, but it is going to give me that volume and lift at the base of each of my curls. And I always curl away from my face. After you've got all your curls in place, I like to use a sculpting taffy to just kind of work through my hair to give it some more texture and definition. But first let your curls set for a couple minutes until they're cool, and then work that taffy through your hair to just give it a little bit more volume and bounce. After that, I like to go in with a dry texturizing spray. It just adds a little bit more volume, a little bit more grit. And then, of course, I like to finish with my favorite Refinish Control Hairspray for a good hold. And there you have it, guys. Messy lived-in curls in less than 5 minutes. What do you think?